Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to find hidden chats on Viber. The first method is finding hidden conversations using the contact's name. Open the Viber app on your phone and tap the search icon in the top right corner. Type the person's name whose chat you've hidden, and when their name appears, tap on it. Enter your hidden chat's PIN when prompted, and once unlocked, you'll see the hidden messages and can chat normally again. The second method: if you can access hidden chats and remember the contact name or PIN, open Viber. Tap More on your profile icon at the bottom, then go to Settings, Privacy, Hidden Chats. Tap Change PIN if you forgot it, or review the list of hidden chats if available on your version. Just note that not all versions of Viber show hidden chats lists. Some only allow access via contact search and PIN. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.